Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Settings because that centralizes system controls. First, open Settings and use the search box to find date and time. This saves time versus digging menus. Make sure your phone has power and a connection so changes sync later. Immediately turn off automatic date and time so manual fields become editable. Once done, you'll see time zone, set date, and set time options. Move to those controls to adjust the specifics. Now change the time zone first because it affects both date and clock values. Tap time zone and pick your region, or allow location-based selection if accurate. Next, use set date to correct day and set time to type the exact hour and minutes. Press OK to apply each field. If you prefer military time, toggle 24-hour format so apps display hours without AM or PM. Make sure each change reflects in the status bar before continuing. Finish by confirming the status bar clock and a calendar entry to ensure everything applied correctly. If you want automatic updates again, re-enable automatic date and time so the network keeps it accurate. Do this only after verifying your manual settings took effect. If changes revert or the clock won't stay correct, reboot the phone first, then check for carrier or system profile restrictions. Some networks force network time. If problems persist, contact your carrier or check device admin policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.